Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an oil change on my 2018 Toyota Highlander. This is the XLE. Um, Bought this vehicle or leased it brand new in 2018, and oil change complimentary service is finished on it. Actually, I missed the 25,000 service. The vehicle has like 30,000 plus mileage on it. Has like 30,000 plus mileage. Toyota didn't want to do the last oil change because they said it's over is 5,000. So I bought my own oil from Toyota online. I'll put it in the description. This is the SAE 0-weight-20. Bought the filter. I have some tools that I'm going to use. Gloves, paper towels, rags. I don't have a drain pan, but you can use anything because I don't have all my tools on me right now. Sorry for the noise in the background. I have something here to slide under the car to lay down on. It's beach mat I have. It's very easy to change. I'm not gonna jack up the car because it's high enough to go under. I have I bought this box here. It has 6 quarts in here. This is the V6. Let me open it. Okay, so this is the V6 3.5 liters liter engine. As you can see, also it says here the type of oil you need. Dipstick right here. So I'm going to change this oil. It's very simple. You can do it on your own. And I didn't do it yourself mechanic video in a while because I have this brand new car that I bought from the Toyota dealer, brand new, so I don't have to deal with old cars anymore to fix them. That's like a hassle. So I just leased a brand new car. I didn't do, like I said, I didn't do no kind of mechanic work, do it yourself videos in a while. I'm just making bullshit traveling videos and reviewing some Chinese products that I'm getting now, and I'm busy with work. And we're gonna get this done. I live in Connecticut right now also. I used to live in New York, but I still work in New York. I live in Connecticut, so I don't have all my tools. I still have all my tools in New York. I have a few here, but I'm using what I have. I'm gonna use this bin or whatever you call this tray to drain the oil for now. And all you need is, if you don't have a ratchet, you can use a box end wrench. The nut is 14 mm. Extension, a hammer. If you're gonna use the box wrench and it's hard to break loose, you just tap it a little. You can use a big channel lock if the oil filter housing is not coming out. This is the part here for the filter if you want to use Toyota's Lexus one. Comes with the 2 O-rings, this tool here, the plastic tool, when you open the bottom to purge it to get out the excess oil. And like I said, the oil is right here. You can, if you don't want to use Toyota's synthetic oil, you can use any SAE's 0-weight-20 synthetic oil. I have my gloves here. I'm gonna go under the car now. Okay, so I'm under the car. Right here is the oil filter housing. You just gotta put that 3/8 extension in this middle here and turn it. If it's tight, just get a big channel lock or one of those oil filter wrench, the ones that can fit here, or the one with the cloth type. As you can see, open the nut already. This is the oil pan here. Okay, so the nut is right here. Just gotta break this loose. It's 14 millimeters. I already broke it loose, so it's loose. Just gotta get my the catch pan right now. I already broke this loose, so to get the video started. Okay, so I'm just gonna loosen the bolt with my hands right now to drain the oil. Okay, as you can see, it's draining right now there. You zoom in, and if you're not sure, just measure how many oil came out, how many quarts, and put back the same amount, or you can put back like a half quart less and then check it, make sure it's right. This holds 5.8 quarts, but it's recommended to put 5.5 first and check it, and that's including the with the filter on, to put 5 and to 5.5 quarts and check it. You don't want to overfill it. So I'm going to loosen this now also. I'm going to bring this back a little like this. I'm going to let it drain. Okay, so I have the ratchet with the extension. Just put this right in here and just loosen this. Just got to fit it there. Okay, as you can see, I broke it loose already. So I'm just gonna take this out and turn this. Okay, I took this out already, but I gotta use that tool and purge it so the excess oil can come out this filter housing, and then I can remove the filter. So just put this tool in here, this tool here. I don't think there's much in here, but I just gotta. Or if you don't have this, you can use like a screwdriver or something. Okay guys, so you're gonna need this part also to take off the oil filter housing. This part there, I had to go to the auto parts store and get it. It's a 64 mm oil filter wrench. I thought this one was gonna work. I had these, but this one was slightly too big to fit, so I had to run to the auto parts store and get this. And this is 1/2 inch. I didn't get the 3/4 one, 3/8 I mean, so I have my 1/2 inch, and it was on there pretty tight. I had to use like a breaker bar because I'm under the car. I don't have a lot of enough leverage to break it loose, because I don't want to break that housing. The last guy, the Toyota who serviced it, put it on real tight, so we can you know, the owner can really do the oil change if they want to. So get this part. It's on Amazon, but I had to go get it from the local store. I'm gonna just return it because I'm not gonna use this back for now. I'm just gonna get it on Amazon. So let me show you here. It's dark already, but it's right there, and you just, it fits on those notches there. You have to put it on like this and loosen it. I already started. Hey guys, so I got dark here, and check out this headlight that I got from Vaunt. I'm gonna put it in the link also if you want one of these. It's super bright. It has 3 settings plus a SOS on it. It's super bright, so I'm gonna use this to finish up here. As you can see, I'm under the car. I have on this headlight from Vaunt. It's very convenient. It's on my head. I don't have to hold a flashlight. And as you can see, I took off the oil filter housing and the filters inside. Alright guys, so I have to wrap this up quick. It's getting darker here. This is the housing, and just remove this rubber o-ring here, put this one here lubricated, and the other one goes on the bottom. That's the old filter. Put the new filter in. You can add some oil inside if you want to fill it up, to lubricate the filter. I'm gonna put this back. New filter. Just clean the inside, just wipe it. It's clean already. Just make sure it's the same filter. Looks like the same. Just put this in there like here. I bought it from Toyota, so it's supposed to be the same. And this one looks tight. Not sure if it's the same, but I'll measure it. So just put back your filter. I'm gonna just put this filter back and hand tighten it. Alright guys, everything is back together. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey, hand tighten, drain bolt back. Now I'm gonna fill it up. Okay guys, so I added 5 quarts. I'm gonna check it. Make sure you put everything back together. Add 5 quarts, start it up, let it warm up, shut it off, let it sit for a couple minutes, check it. If it needs more, add 8 ounces more that it need, and check for leaks on the bottom, and that's it. It's very simple. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.